Hey guys, it's Lavender TV, and today we're gonna be doing this picture frame set. Now we're gonna open it. That's all. Have you cut it? Okay, you have to go this way. Go ahead and put it. Go ahead and put it. Yeah, well, you don't have to put it. Alright, put these out one by one and show them. We got the paint, the thing, a heart. It got a little hole in it for the string, and another heart. And he got the string, the heart, the string, another heart. And we got the brush. And we got some more brushes right here. Okay. Just in case. And the stickers. And we got some stickers. We got this frame. And we got
that's the instructions.
This is the instruction and the sticker. Alright, we're gonna start. Okay, we got the water and we got the plate to mix the put the paint in. Okay. Oh. Okay, I got it. Okay, we're gonna open all the paint. Wow, that's hard. Open this. It's 3 of them. And it's a lot of picture frames in it.
Okay.
One.
Are you ready to paint? Move the picture frame out the way so you won't paint it or get it messed up. Oh, it's that hard to open up. Oh, we got one.
Yay, we got one open. It's 2 more.
You got the other one?
One more. It's only 3 of them. The last. Come on, last one. I'm gonna be painting like this, guys. And dip it in the water.
Oh, I got paint all on my hand.
Alright. You could just stick it on anything. You got them open?
Leave that for right now until I open the other one. Wait a second.
I think I know how to open it up.
Be careful, girl. That's paint. You can't use your mouth, baby.
Doing real hard. Okay, so we'll just get this one. The orange.
I'll find it. Don't get up because you're recording.
Okay. 3 minutes. You see that purple? You can't see it. See it a little bit. Can you see it now? Alright, you can see it. Okay, guys.
What's still smoking our brush? Who had the wing? See, we're in there with it. Who had wings? Huh?
Move back in the video. Be quiet. We all did.
What means?
Your action lady.
Action lady? A lady. Where, Wayne?
Alright. Are you painting? Are you showing them what you're doing?
Yeah. I'm mixing the purple and white so it could be like dark color. A white color.
Oh, lavender.
Yeah,
That's what you
lavender
just
color.
made, lavender. You know that? Did I give you a paper towel? Okay.
Yeah. So it's sit up like
There you go. So you won't miss the people. Okay.
this is so fun. Okay. Now it's time for the white, the fully white. Easy. And that's gonna come off. Okay, get the white. Have y'all subscribed to my videos? Yeah, you did. Ooh, paint. Okay, this is getting fun. That's fun. Okay, ew, the water getting nasty.
Your grandma said she ain't got no more paint because y'all used it, huh? Give me that paint. I'm gonna have to open it. Okay.
Try to open the blue again one more time.
I'm about to.
Oh,
Oh,
you open it.
yeah. I separate those so you can keep painting. Open it.
You close the white.
It's easy to open back up later.
Oh, that's fun.
Alrighty, got the blue open.
Yay, we got the blue open.
Now you can paint the heart a different color. You already did that one, so you can go to the next one.
Oh, the blue. See, now you can see it.
Oh, Lord. Hold on, Sam. We're doing a video. Oh, God.
Tell the girl
I
by
do it.
herself.
I just told him to do it. He said, you bring me get down to your video.
Blue color. Oh, that look like a style.
Why you didn't paint a new heart? I told you to paint the other heart blue. You gonna mess up the color, man. All them hearts you got left over. You paint the same heart.
I still got to paint the sides. Look, the paint the sides. Okay, I think I'm gonna paint the sides blue. You like that color?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit of lavender purple. Okay, now we're gonna put the blue.
Give me the other color over there.
The white,
Yeah.
gonna have to break it. Like
Well, you
this.
gotta keep it here. Wait.
Try to break down the middle. This so fun. Oh, you It look like a little katana. Okay, we're gonna get some of this blue. You need some blue?
Not right now. So yeah, guys, she's just a painting.
What you want to do? Sponges.
You gotta pour the paint on the plate then.
Oh.
That's the only way you're gonna use it. Like this. Or on the sponge itself. You gotta be careful not to waste it all. I have to dip it like this.
I could dip it like this, look. Just like that.
Mm-hmm.
I just need the sponge to smooth it like this.
Okay, smooth it out, yeah.
So I had to stuff. See that? How that looking? It's about to dry so fast. It is dry so fast. So I'm gonna get some of this lavender purple again. Okay, make some little polka dots. And try to. Okay, now we're gonna just put it in the water. You never put yours in the water.
Yeah.
I'm gonna wet the sponge and just smooth it out like that. You like how that works? Bye.